Woo! I can't scream. I'm not at home. I'm somewhere else. I don't want to scare the dog. I'm gonna make a pizza. Testing out someone's new oven. Cheers, big ears. You're gonna get uncanny. Hey, relax. Drink up, buttercup. Oh, that's good. It's hot as fuck. Pardon my elbow. So what we got going on here? Normal pizza dough recipe of mine. There will be a link in the description box below and an iCard above. Very easy to make. Very basic. We're doing a goat cheese pizza. What do you want? Where'd you come from? You're another dog. Go away. Goat mozzarella is what we're doing. Pepperoni, mushrooms, tomatoes, summer sausage. No summer sausage. Alright, bitches. I'm taking this one instead. Oh my god, it's hot. Holy shit. Hot. I took the thinnest piece. Like this way and that way. Goat mozzarella, President's Choice, blah blah company. And no, I'm not a fan of Galen Weston. But when you have dietary restrictions, you gotta pay through the ass. Yummy. Go and make one. Fucking right. Hot. Mosquitoes like crazy in here. RTFO mofos. Woo. Keep on rocking in the free world, bitches. Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and fuck right off. Whoa! Right? Jasper? Right? Rock the fuck on, you know? Hmm? What do you think of that? Try that. Yummy. Like the gut shake said, eh? There you go. Nobody saw that. Whoa.